In front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. If photo that you wish to add is recent, you can click on it right away. If you can't find it here, just tap on folders at the top and locate it over here. Then to attach it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!